Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make dimmer and switch with lamp wiring circuit diagram. If you're new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. DP MCB circuit breaker, dimmer, light, switch, phase connection to DP MCB, neutral connection to DP MCB, phase connection from DP MCB to connect switch, phase connection to dimmer, neutral connection from DP MCB to connect light, neutral connection to dimmer, output connection from dimmer to connect light, another connection from dimmer to connect switch, earthing connection input to light. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.